Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a major international update after a new statement from Donald Trump. Trump spoke yesterday about Iran, peace talk, nuclear tension, and America next move. His comments are now creating big discussions across global politics. Is peace finally coming? Is this only a temporary camp before another crisis? Let's break everything next is simple detail. During his latest public remarks yesterday, Trump said that Iran wants negotiations and that discussions are moving smoothly. According to Trump, there is now a strong possibility that tension between the United States and Iran could reduce through diplomacy instead of military conflict. One of his biggest statements was they want to make a deal. This sentence immediately became global headline news became because for months his relationship between America and Iran has remained extremely tense. Trump also repeated a strong warning. He clearly said the United States will never allow Iran to obtain nuclear weapons. That statement is important because nuclear concerns are the biggest reason behind the ongoing pressure and international negotiations. At the same time, Trump tried to sound confident. He described the current situations as controlled and said America is doing very well is handling the crisis. So why are these comments important? Because any conflict involving Iran and the United States can affect the entire world. Oil prices, global market, Middle East stability, and even upcoming America politics. Many experts believe Trump is trying to present himself as a strong leader who can prevent war while still keeping pressure on Iran. Supporters say this prove Trump can negotiate from a position of power. Critics, however, believe the situation is still dangerous and unpredictable. Another important point is timing. America is entering a politically sensitive period, and international conflicts always influence public opinion. That is why every Trump statement now gets massive global attention. Trump's latest comment may also help his political image. Whenever global tension rises, strong leadership became a major topic for voters. Trump is presenting himself as someone who can control world pressure while protecting America's interests. But if negotiations fail, critics may blame his aggressive approach for increasing tension. So right now, the entire world is watching carefully to see whatever diplomacy succeed or the crisis becomes bigger. So, what do you think? Will America and Iran reach a peaceful agreement, or could these situations become another major global conflict? Comment your opinion below. If you enjoy this update, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more breaking international news updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.